Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to add a click to mail link and button on your WordPress website in just a few minutes. The process is straightforward and involves a few simple actions that will help you quickly integrate a mail link into your site. Begin by navigating to your WordPress homepage. Once you have reached the site, look toward the top right corner where you will see an option to log in. After you click on the login option, the next step will prompt you to continue using a convenient sign-in method. In this case, you will select the option to continue with Google. When you make this selection, your device will then display your available Google accounts, allowing you to choose the one that you wish to use for signing into WordPress. This authentication step ensures that you have the appropriate access to manage and edit your website. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the quick link section on the dashboard. Within this section, you will find a link labeled Edit Site. Click on this link to proceed, as it takes you directly into the editing interface for your current website. After entering the site editor, locate your website from the list of available projects and click on it. This action signals to the system that you are ready to begin editing the content of your chosen website. With the editing interface open, focus on the specific text to which you want to attach a mail link. Using your mouse or trackpad, carefully highlight this text. By doing so, you are indicating that this is the section that will eventually function as the clickable link for users who wish to send an email directly from your website. Once the text is highlighted, look for the chain link icon, which represents the linking tool in the editor's interface. Clicking on this icon will open up the link options. In the space provided, you will be instructed to type in the prefix for mail links, which is simply mail followed by a colon. This proper prefix ensures that when your visitors click on the link, their system recognizes that it should open the default email application on their device. After you have entered the mail prefix, the next step involves making a selection from the system's suggestions, which will specifically include the mail option. When you see mail presented as one of these suggestions, click on it so the correct function is applied. Next, look for the pencil icon that accompanies this field. Clicking the pencil icon will foreground the editing mode of the link details, allowing you to type in the actual email address you wish to associate with the click to mail link. After entering the email address accurately, check your information and then proceed by clicking on the Save button. This final step commits your changes, meaning that the highlighted text now transforms into a functional mail link on your WordPress website. Now, whenever a visitor clicks this link, their device will automatically begin composing an email addressed to the account you specified. Thank you for following these detailed instructions. By completing these steps, you have successfully enhanced your website with a useful mail link feature, making it easier for visitors to get in touch with you directly through email. Enjoy your new functionality and the streamlined communication it offers.